Hi all, welcome to the series Quant Revision for Cat. Today's topic is ratios and averages. Let's start with ratios. Let's let's take an example of A to find the ratio of A is to B is to C is to D. So for A, you have to write down all these 2 into 2 into 3. For B, you have to write down all this 3 into 2 into 3. For C, you have to write down all this 3 into 4 into 3. 3 into 4 into 3. For D, you have to write down all this 3 into 4 into 2. So now find the ratio. By simplifying it, we get 2 is to 3 is to 6 is to 4. Okay. So while starting, we are starting with the leftmost column and then shifting one bit towards the right side. And we are ending with the rightmost column. Like for A, you have to multiply 2 into 2 into 3. For D, you have to multiply 3 into 4 into 2. Okay, that's it about ratios. And the next topic is averages. Normally, average equals to sum sum of numbers by number of numbers. If you are taking an arithmetic progression, average equals to sum of first term plus last term by 2. So that's about averages. I will give an example. Let's take an example and discuss it. In a few consecutive natural numbers, one number is written twice. Now the average lies at 25 5 by 17. Sorry, 25 15 by 17. So what is the number which is written twice? So if you are normally for consecutive natural numbers, if the average is lying at 25, what does it mean? So if you are writing all the consecutive natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on, 25 and so on till 50, the average lies at 25, right? So our new average lies at 15 by 17. Normally, average is sum of natural numbers by a number of numbers, right? Normally, the n into n plus 1 by 2 plus t by n plus 1. Let us suppose there are n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Let the number t is repeated twice. So we are adding the t here. Okay. So now the number of natural numbers are n plus 1, right? So it is n plus 1. And this average equals to 25 15 by 17. So if you observe carefully, this fraction n plus 1 is something like 17k. Let k be something. And n is number of natural numbers. If the average is 25, the number of natural numbers are 50. So n equals to 50. If the so here n plus 1 has to be 17k. So n plus 1 lies near 50 and n plus 1 is a multiple of 17. Okay. So how can we write it? If n equals to 50, n plus 1 is 51. So k equals to 3. Okay. So what we have to do is 15. 15 by 17 is the fraction, right? So you have to multiply it by 3 and divide it by 3, which is equals to 45 by 51. Okay. So we have 50 numbers previously, and one number is written twice. The written number, the number which is written twice is number 45. Okay, you got it. So that's about averages, and I have a note point here. In averages, if there is a question on family relations. So, like in a question, it is given that there is a father and mother. They had a son, and average is something. And after 2 years, they had another son. Average changed to something else. So, and after 2 or 3 years, they had a daughter. Average changed to something else. So, how to do these kind of questions? So, for this, what you have to do is first you have to fix some particular year, like let it be 2000. After that, in 2002, this is the average. After that, in 2005, this is the average. Like you can put it in this way, and here you have to write down the number of family members. Number of family members are three, and here the number of family members are four, and here there are the number of family members. So it will be easy for you to solve these kind of problems if you are doing in such a way. And I forgot mentioning one note point during selling price and cost price. It is, let us consider two objects, both are having same selling price. One is making profit of R%, another is making a loss of R%. Okay. So what is the net, whether it be net profit or loss, and what is the percentage? Okay. So for this, you can do it in this way, like CP1, CP2 plus R% gives SP minus R% gives SP. You can solve it this way. After that, what you get is you incur a loss percentage of R square by 100. Okay. So this is the final answer you will get. If you want to remember it, it is good. If you want to do it in this way, it is a little bit lengthy, but it's okay. So that's about today's video. In the next video, I'll try to explain about allegations and replacements. Thank you.